Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're cooking pilau rice with cashews and sultanas. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, dissolve the stock pot into boiling water to make your chicken stock. Heat the oil in a saucepan on a medium-high heat. Add the rice and cook for 2 minutes. Now add the chicken stock and coconut milk, followed by the spices, sultanas and cashews. Give it all a good mix and bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the saucepan. Leave the rice for around 20 minutes until it's tender. This dish is perfect with a homemade curry. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.